Are you tired of dull, generic digital documents that don't reflect your brand's identity? Traditional e-signature solutions usually offer the functionality you need, but that comes with a sacrifice of style and branding. Well, we've got good news. Papersign makes it incredibly easy to create stunning documents that aren't just professional, but resonate with your unique brand. You can strike the perfect balance between compliance and customization. Follow me and I'll show you how. Sweet, so we're in the Papersign dashboard, and this is where you can view the status of your documents and of course, create a new one. I've actually already pre-filled a document with some dummy text, so we can dive straight into branding. But if you wanted to create a new document or upload your own PDF file to edit within Papersign, just click here. So what I've got here is a plain document that I want to make feel unique to my brand. So we're going to edit the font and add a header and footer to really make it ours. We'll start with the typography and simply highlight text to reveal the configuration, as you can see there. Align your text, utilize bullet points and number points where necessary, and apply your document text styles. You can edit those styles over here under theme. Let me select heading 1, then I'll search for my font, reduce the size, and change the color. Let's quickly change the body text too. There we go. Sweet. Now you can also edit the header and footer of your document with ease. Just simply select the area and notice that the header is divided into 3 columns to help you align brand elements. You can resize these, delete, and add any new ones at any time. I'll add some copy over here and I'll change the column color by selecting the content within, which will bring up another pop-up menu. You can, of course, change the text style for your header and footer from the theme just over here. Sweet. Okay, well, that's looking great, but our document could still use some brand imagery. Let's add an image in this column. You can upload an image from your computer, like your brand logo, or insert a professional image from the Unsplash plugin. You can even use Papersign's inbuilt image editor to crop, annotate, and fine-tune your image. And I'm just going to resize that again, and voila. Follow the same process to edit the footer as we head down there. This time I'm going to add a brand image I prepared earlier and remove those columns so it takes up the entirety of my footer. And there we have it. Our plain document is now beautifully branded to represent our business. The best part, we can save this as a template and reuse it again and again. And guess what? You can start this journey today for free. That's right. Sign up for a free plan and begin crafting documents that aren't just documents, but extensions of your brand. Good luck and happy signing.